In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 services that you can offer on Fiverr and start making over $3,000 every single month. And these are services that you can do with your phone and it doesn't require any special skill. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, as always, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, number 1 on my list is Instagram verification. That is the blue tick you see on some people's profile. Now, Instagram rolled out this as a paid service recently, but it's not yet available in most countries. Now, if you're living in countries like India, United States, Australia, New Zealand, and UK, then this is an opportunity for you to make lots of money before it becomes available in all the countries. Now, there are a lot of people that have the money to pay for this Instagram verification, but they can't because the service is not yet available in their country, and that is where you come in. And all you need to do is to log into their Instagram account in your country, and that way their country location is going to change from their country to your own country. So if you live in the United States, for instance, and you log into an account that is based in Nigeria, is going to automatically start showing as United States. And that way, that account will now get the option for meta verification, and you can now go ahead and make payment for that client and get your commission. And then this doesn't have any overhead. You don't have to spend any of your money because the clients already know that Facebook and Instagram charge for verification, and then all you're charging extra is your own service charge. So let's say Instagram is charging $217 for 1 year verification. You can charge $250 and then pay $217, and the rest is your profit. And to start getting clients for this service, all you have to do is to go over to Fiverr, create a gig based on this service, and then you can start getting lots of clients for this service and start making a lot of money for yourself. Added with the other 5 that I'm going to be sharing with you, you're going to be making over $3,000 every single month. So I will advise you to watch the end, don't miss anyone, so that you don't miss out on this big opportunity. And that brings us to number 2, which is web designing. Recently on this channel, I've shared how you can design full websites with Canva. You can design e-commerce websites, personal websites, or even dropshipping websites with Canva. Now, I've done those tutorials. You can go and watch them. If you haven't watched them, it's very easy. It's something that you can do with any mobile phone that you have, and people are going to pay you for it. Now, a lot of people charge hundreds of dollars to design websites. As you can see right here on Fiverr, you can see this person charging $950 just to design a website, and the person has gotten 41 clients. 41 clients, and the person might even have up to 5 accounts. Let me know if you want me to do an in-depth Fiverr tutorial on this channel. Let me know if you want me to do a video on that, and I'm going to do an in-depth Fiverr tutorial for you. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see that, right? Now, I understand that a lot of people are offering this service on Fiverr already, but you have a very big edge, and that is in pricing, because you're not paying for hosting, you're not paying for templates, you're not paying for any plugin, you're not paying for absolutely nothing apart from the domain name. And domain name costs anywhere between $2 to $10, right? So if you charge anywhere around $20, $30, people are going to rush your service. Now, people already know how much a website costs. They know that to get a very good website, you should be looking at $400 to $1,000. But in a situation where they're getting it for $30 or $40, that is a steal, and that is why they're going to patronize you as against any other person that is out there, and that is your edge, right? So go ahead and create the gig on Fiverr and start getting clients for your service. And you can also get clients from Instagram, Twitter, and even TikTok. All you have to do is to take out a few minutes every day and go to popular posts and leave your comment that you design website and state the price. So if you're living in Nigeria, for instance, it's still hearing that you can design a website for 20,000 naira or 15,000 naira. So you're spending like 2,000 naira for domain name, and then you're doing it for 20,000 naira. You're making 18,000 naira profit. And then the prospective clients will also see it as a steal because they already know how much people charge for web designing. So that way, everybody will want to have their own website, because of course everybody will want to have their own website. So what you do for yourself is to brand yourself as a tech expert, as a programmer, or as a web developer, right? Make sure you revamp your social media accounts if you're going to be doing this, so that it reflects what you are selling, so that once someone wants to check out your account, the person will say, oh, this person knows what he or she is doing. And this is something that you can do with just your phone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need electricity, you just need your phone and maybe power bank to charge up your phone if it runs down. So you don't need anything special to get started. So go ahead and sign up on Fiverr. Send out nothing less than 100 DMs every day. Send out nothing less than 50 comments every day on popular posts, and watch people troop to you. People are going to troop to you because it's just 20,000 naira. And guess what? When you start making a lot of money from it, you can even put an advert on popular blogs, popular pages, and you're going to get even more clients. So that way, you don't have any issue with money anymore because you're going to be making lots of money. And based on the number of clients you're getting on a daily basis, you can even hire extra hands and make extra money. So go ahead and start offering this service and start making lots of money for yourself. I'll leave the link to the tutorial in the description so that you can watch the tutorial of how to design a website using Canva. If you have not seen it yet, watch it so that you can learn and then start doing it for people and start making lots of money for yourself. And that brings us to number 3 on our list, and that is video subtitling. Now, I recently did a tutorial on how you can subtitle videos with just few clicks in less than 2 minutes. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to be leaving the link as well in the description so that you can watch it after watching this video. Now, your greatest edge you have to getting lots of clients is in your pricing, because you have an app. The app that I talked about in the video, you can find the link in the description to watch the tutorial. So if you use the app, you can be able to subtitle any video in less than 2 minutes and then you're good to go. So that makes it very easy because you're not manually subtitling this video. So because you're using an app, you can do lots of others in a day, right? Now, for instance, you know you're starting out and you want to stand out from the crowd, because if you come over to Fiverr, you're going to see that a lot of people are offering this gig already. You can see that 6,176 people are already offering this service, right? But the way you can stand out is by offering incredible packages. Now, your pricing is going to be lower and your turnaround time is going to be lower, and then the service that you're offering is going to be much irresistible, because people love things like this. So imagine someone that have been paying someone like $25 to do 1 minute video, and then the person is seeing someone else charging $15 for 10 minutes video. That's 10 videos. That is going to be a steal. The person is going to leave whoever he has been working with and come start working with you. And then on your part, it's not a big load on you because it's something that you're doing with your phone and it's something that you're doing with an app. You're not manually doing this thing yourself. You just put it on the app, do the settings, and then export, and you're good to go. So go ahead and create this service on Fiverr and start making money for yourself in no distant time using this skill. And that brings us to number 4 on our list, and that is shorts. Creating shorts for people. Now, there are a lot of content creators don't really have the time to create shorts for their Instagram reels, their YouTube shorts, and TikTok as well, and that is where you come in. Now, all you need to do for your clients is to create shorts from their long form video. And to do this, you don't have to do it by yourself. You don't even have to start editing, start watching, and start getting the right one. Oh, this one is right, you cut it out. No, you don't need to have any editing skill whatsoever. All you need to do is to use this platform, clips.opus.pro, right? Now, this is the platform. All you need to do is to sign up, and then you have free 2 hours to use and do whatever you want to do. And by the time you start making money, you can now decide to go for the paid plan, but you get it for free, all for free. And now to use this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to drag and drop the video here if you have just the video file, or you put the YouTube video link here, and the AI will go ahead and create shorts for you from the video. Not just one, not just 2 shots. You will create multiple shots from this video for you. It's that easy. So go ahead and offer this service and use this tool to make your life better, because you don't even need to watch the video by yourself. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is to get paid by your clients, and then you copy their link or you put in their video, and then the AI will create the shots for you, and then you take that shot and send to your clients, and you've made money. These are things that you can do with your mobile phone. You don't need any skill whatsoever to do this, and you're good to go. You start making a lot of money from it. So go ahead and create a gig on this and start making lots of money. And that brings us to number 5 on my list, and that is reselling softwares and apps. Now, this is a very big business. A lot of people want apps or softwares for either this or that. Now, I've done a tutorial in the past where you can create an app in less than 5 minutes without any coding knowledge whatsoever, but that's just the basic. Let's say someone wants something like an Uber app or something like a delivery app, and it's not something that you can create through that method that I shared with you. It's something that you have to create from scratch. And a lot of people pay a lot of money for apps and softwares, and this is where you come in. And all you have to do is to come over to codekenyon.net. Now, on this platform, you can see lots of apps that you can resell on your platform. You can create a Fiverr gig and say that you can do any app, any software whatsoever. And then when people pay you, you just come here and pay for the service and you're good to go. So let's say someone wants a delivery app, for instance. So all you have to do is to come over here and search for delivery app and click on search. And then you're going to see lots of delivery apps here. And the good thing is, once you buy it, they can customize it and change it to whatever name you want. Put in your logo, put in your colors and whatever. So whatever the client wants a delivery app that can do this and do that, but with their logo, with their name and everything. So all you need to do is, once your client pays you, you come over to this platform and purchase the app, and then they are going to change the logo, the name, and the color for you and do all the customizations for you. Now you're going to make lots of money from this without having any coding knowledge and without doing anything yourself. All you have to do is to stand as a middleman. Someone orders for an app, you come over here, buy the app, and then resell to the person, and you make your cool money. And guess what? You can sell the same app that you already bought to multiple people, but different names, different color schemes, and different countries, right? Now, if you come over to Fiverr, you can see that people are charging a lot of money for this service. Now, you can see that this person is charging $490 for an app, and he has done over 279 orders. Now, do the maths, guys. So it's an amazing way for you to make money. And another platform that you can also get softwares and apps that you can resell is appsumo.com. Appsumo.com is still similar to Code Canyon. Here you can find apps and softwares at a very competitive price that you can resell and make lots of money for yourself. And that brings us to the next one on the list, and that is reselling themes and plugins for WordPress. If you're a web developer, you will know that plugins, templates, and themes cost an arm and a leg, and it's very difficult to pay for these things when you want to charge your clients very low fees so that you can get lots of clients. But with this option, a lot of people are going to buy from you. A lot of people are going to buy the themes from you at a cheaper rate. So if it's a theme that is going for $100, they can get it for $5 from you, and you're going to be making a lot of money. But guess what? You're not even buying the themes, you're getting the themes for free. Now, if you come over to WP Locker, that is where you're going to be getting the themes and plugins. You're going to be getting it for free here. So you can sell this on Fiverr and make lots of money for yourself. Now, having said this, I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn how you can make between $5,000 to $10,000 every single month by offering some of these services that I mentioned here and even more. So go watch it and thank me later. See you in the next one. Ciao.